Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Lemaster, Local Health Officer for Johnson County. The flu has made a comeback this year to a degree that we have not previously seen in recent years. Previously, when we were all masked up and trying to prevent getting COVID infection, we saw less flu, but it's still out there, still circulating. And already in Johnson County, we've had 4 flu deaths. We know that flu is there, and the best thing that you can do to prevent the flu is to get vaccinated. You can have your COVID vaccination and flu vaccine at the same time. If you get the flu, you are not immune from getting COVID or respiratory syncytial virus, the RSV that's circulating out there. It is circulating in the pediatric population, as you've heard. We've had a lot more admissions for RSV among babies, but it's out there also. These viruses don't protect, your immune system doesn't protect you from getting an infection from a second virus at the same time as you have the first virus. Your immune system doesn't work that way. And if you aren't immune to that virus's effect, you can get them all at the same time, and you can get a lot sicker when that happens. So our advice is get your vaccinations, those that you can, and as you're out circulating in parties or family events, be reasonable. We're not all wearing masks all the time, but you can wash your hands after you serve food or before after you eat. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. If it makes sense in a situation to be wearing a mask, do so. Some of the benefits of the flu vaccine among children are that those who have been vaccinated will be at about 75% less risk of having to be admitted to an ICU and about half the risk of dying, especially those who have medical conditions that could put them at higher risk. Among adults, those who were vaccinated against the flu were more than half as likely to spend time in the ICU. They were in the ICU a shorter period of time, and this was even more dramatic for those who had chronic diseases like diabetes or lung disease. To get your vaccination, you should be able to get this at your primary care clinic office. They're available at pharmacies wherever they are located, including in grocery stores. We do provide the flu vaccinations at our Olathe clinic, and that's open Monday to Friday.